ComfyUI Manager is the most important plugin you need. In this video lesson, I will show how to install and use it. But why do you need it anyway? Well, ComfyUI is modular. Most creators use custom nodes that aren't part of the base software. If you don't have those exact nodes installed, the workflow breaks. Instead of hunting through GitHub for every individual node, the manager scans your broken workflow, finds what's missing, and installs it for you with one click. Besides, it also helps you to keep nodes and ComfyUI updated. Before proceeding, ensure that Git is installed on your device. If not, you can download it from this website. Link is in the description. The next step is to download the manager. Go to this website. As you know, the link is in the description. Scroll down. You'll find Install Manager for Portable Version .bat file. Right-click and save the link in your ComfyUI portable folder. Double-click the file you downloaded. It will install the manager. Now shut down the Comfy if it's open by closing the command window and browser window. Restart it, and here you will find the New Manager button in the interface. Click the Manager button to open it. Click Install Missing Custom Nodes. A window will pop up showing every node your current workflow needs but can't find. There is no missing node yet. Close this pop-up window and click Update ComfyUI. It will fetch the latest features and bug fixes automatically. Once finished, you must restart ComfyUI. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. We will explore how to prompt better in the next lesson of ComfyUI Beginner tutorial series.